we're gonna go from that one into another technique. And what I'm gonna do is she's gonna lift her bum up a little bit for me, and I'm just gonna kind of bunch the scarf up. Go ahead and put it back down. You can rest. So I bunched it up to where it's thinner. It's not as wide. Now we wanna make sure that we are finding that hard ridge of the hip, and we are going just below it to the soft spot. You could even feel it on yourself to kind of know where you want to be with this one. So you want to make sure that you are in that spot. Roxana's a little bit ticklish, so we're going to try and get this one over pretty quickly. You doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're going to kind of twist just to make sure it's a little bit tight, and then we're going to make sure that it's going straight in here. Then we're going to lift. Now this one is just providing a little bit more targeted relief, and it's almost giving a little bit of a booty massage right at the top. So probably like around the sacrum and pelvis area, which is low back, upper butt, to make it easy. So we're gonna kind of make sure that this is in there, sorry. So, and then we're gonna, again, we can crisscross. And if you have another person, even better, they can take one side, you take the other side. So when they take that side, and actually I could probably have her do it, grab this side and pull that way. And then I'm gonna pull this way. Now, I'm gonna have you, can you put your arm up, kind of up above your head? If you have another person and they can pull that way, you can also put your foot in here. Yes, right? Doesn't that feel good? And tickle. So just make sure that you are in the right spot, and you can have them doing the same thing. So when you do this, you're actually creating a hip squeeze. You're bringing the pelvis together, which is actually can help the baby get into position to come slide right down. So when we do that, we're creating space, and that's just one way or a couple of ways that you can use the Rebozo scarf to help your partner shimmy shake the baby on out. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna stop torturing my wonderful business partner here with tickling her hips. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, because we're gonna be posting a lot more of these videos for you guys to learn some stuff to do at home. So